The excellent reception that the Sea of Thieves is awakening has made Microsoft want to offer fans not only a personalized control, but a real battery of customized accessories. Today they have announced the launch of 3 new options to complement our game and command: a Sea of Thieves 2TB drive, Seagate hard drive for Xbox. A hard drive with 2 TB of storage in which we can store our favorite games that connects via USB 3.0. As an offer not only brings a personalized exterior with marine motifs and colors in tune with the Sea of Thieves, but includes 1 month of Xbox Game Pass and an exclusive weapon in the game. The Seagate game drive will be available in the US, United States, Canada, France, Germany and the United Kingdom as of March 20, 2018 with a price of $89.99 charging station for our control, built with the same high-quality material and incorporating a top-load holder, battery cover, rechargeable battery and a power cord. In this case it will be available as of February 19, 2018 for $49.99. Support Edition Sea of Thieves. Finally, the Sea of Thieves Edition support is launched, so that we do not have to leave the command anywhere. This support allows us to place our control in an appropriate place and will be available for $14.99. Like the previous ones, it is customized with the iconography of the game. At the moment they have not announced their availability in other markets, but we hope that these releases are not limited in availability to the US market, and like the Xbox control, it ends up reaching other countries.